Hello, everyone. With the advent of vaccination against COVID 19, we have certain lurking questions in our mind. With this stellar invention, there are certain questions that Dr. Nilesh Shah, President of Metropolis Healthcare Limited, has very kindly agreed to answer. So, sir, my first question is regarding antibody testing, which is going to be a burning topic in future post vaccination. So, what is the utility of antibody testing in future?
Hello everyone. As we know, during this pandemic time, we spoke lots about SARS-CoV-2, the PCR test, antibody test, antigen test, and these days antibody test is talked lots about. Antibody test, like any other infection, is a measurement of immune response to any foreign agent entering our body. Antibody test for SARS-CoV-2 is also equally important, and there are many utilities for it. You can use this test for knowing seroprevalence. You can use this test to know whether you had any exposure to SARS-CoV-2, or also post-vaccination at an agreed time. If you do the test, you would come to know whether seroconversion has occurred and have you developed enough antibodies to protect yourself.
Are all antibody tests the same?
All antibody tests are not same. Specifically in SARS-CoV-2, you have tests which are only qualitative and you have a tests which are quantitative. You have tests which are semi-quantitative also. And all quantitative tests may not be traceable to WHO standard. Moreover, the protein which you detect is also very different. You can have tests against nucleocapsid antigen. You can have tests which is against spike antigen. Now, spike protein also have got S1, S2, trimeric S, or you have a specific region on S which is called RBD. So you have various antibody test kits available in the market, and you have to choose the kit with a lot of kit. On top of this, what one has to look at is whether antibody test is has concordance with neutralizing antibody, which is also an important parameter to be considered.
So this is a very important point you have touched, that if we have to look for protective antibodies, and which comes from basically spike protein, particularly our S1 domain, which contains anti-receptor binding domain antibody as well as trimeric S antibody. So, sir, is the antibody test necessary post vaccination?
Doing a test after vaccination is not mandatory. However, doing the test gives you some important insights. As you know, when you do any vaccination, there would be some number of people who will be non-responder. So for you to know whether you have responded well to the vaccine and whether immune response has been developed and you have enough antibodies, it is important that you do the test. However, it is not mandatory.
So, when is the right time to test for antibodies post vaccination?
As you know, vaccination has got two doses, first dose and second dose at a set interval. When second dose gets over, 14 days after that would be right time to do antibody test.
Okay. And what is most preferable is to, before vaccination, take a baseline antibody titer, and then we can compare it later on after our second dose, 2 weeks after our second dose.
That is even ideal in case you do an antibody test before vaccination. Uh, you'll be able to compare as you rightly said. However, again, it is not mandatory.
So, what is the good antibody test? How can we define the good antibody test?
I would suggest to look for four things. One, ensure that test is against spike protein. Ensure that the test is truly quantitative, means the units of measurement should be international units per ml, and it should be WHO standard traceable. Third thing, it should have a very good concordance with neutralizing antibody. These are the few things which I would look forward to when I select it.
And what is the protective levels of antibody necessary, or in serological language that we say protective titer?
Protective level of antibody is a very important question and expectation from all of us. As of now, protective titer for antibody has not been established, It is the time which is going to help us establish, but as of today, we do not know what is a protective titer.
So suppose we have got our antibody test done. Post that, is it necessary to look for neutralizing antibodies as well?
Neutralizing antibody after doing an antibody test, which has got good concordance with neutralizing antibody, is not necessary. However, in future, when we know what is a protective titer, probably utility of neutralizing antibody test will get better established.
So for this enlightenment, so as we heard from esteemed Dr. Nilesh Shah, in conclusion, antibody tests, although post-vaccination, not mandatory, but still preferable and can yield a lot of information that can help us in future in the pandemics. Till then, if you have any queries, please contact us at Metropolis Healthcare Limited. The team is ready to serve you. Till then, wear mask, perform hand hygiene, and be safe. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.